Sometimes you need to see further. Sometimes you need to know more. With Seek Thermal, you can. This is military-grade technology at an affordable price. With the highest resolution in their category, Seek Thermal Imagers bring powerful thermal imaging to everyday use, providing actionable and incredibly useful solutions to its users. The versatility of these imagers runs across a wide-ranging spectrum of applications, delivering the confidence people need to make smart decisions across different use cases. They are extremely useful for construction, DIY, building inspection, hunting, public safety, fire and rescue professionals, and more. They enable all to see the unseen like never before. It works in pitch black or in bright sun, the level of lighting making no difference to the thermal sensor. In this video, I'll be introducing the Seek Thermal Reveal. This is an all-in-one thermal imager with a powerful flashlight built in. It has a detectable temperature range of -40 to 626 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has a 240 by 320 display resolution. This enables you to pinpoint specific sources of heat and heat loss at a range of up to 500 feet away. It also has a built-in flashlight which provides 300 lumens of light. With its ergonomic grip and angled display, the Reveal handheld imager allows you to see more of what's around you, particularly that which would be hidden from you in the dark. The thermal imager is incredibly accurate, allowing you to spot heat near and far, indoors and out. Both water and shock resistant, the Reveal is rugged, with a rubberized casing and intuitive controls. At only 6.3 ounces, this is a tool you can regularly keep on you wherever you are. The Reveal's advanced technology lets you see thermal images even in the darkest night. But Seek Thermal also recognizes that you need to be able to see in dark spaces as well. The powerful LED flashlight that has been integrated into the Reveal provides all the light you need. Combining these two essential tools into one frees up your hand so that you can concentrate on the task before you. The infrared lens is made of chalcogenide glass and is specially crafted to detect the slightest difference in temperature. The lens focuses heat signatures onto very high-performance thermal pixels. These pixels then read the infrared spectrum and can detect an extensive range of heat signatures. On top of all this, the Reveal can capture thermal images and you can easily transfer them to your computer. A removable micro SD card is included in the box, along with a USB cable and a charger. So, is the Reveal for you? Well, if you are in the building or construction industry, the Reveal is perfect, as it combines a powerful flashlight with a highly accurate thermal imager, ideal for searching for clogged pipes, shorted electrics, HVAC issues, missing insulation, the list goes on. Of course, the Reveal is a fantastic tool for outdoors enthusiasts and hunters, who benefit hugely by the ability to spot predators at a distance, follow animal trails, and track game. It's even incredibly beneficial to boaters, as the Reveal is easily used to accurately identify obstacles and people in the water during obscured vision situations. The Seek Reveal is an affordable, durable, and easy-to-use handheld thermal imager. With its built-in screen, the ability to capture images, and its high-powered flashlight, it truly is a revolutionary tool. This has been a quick look at Seek Thermal's Reveal. To find out more or locate your nearest retailer, please visit thermal.com.